Welcome to another unboxing, my friends. Today I'm taking out this TYRONE. These are backup batteries for some doorbells. So a lot of the doorbells that you get are just have just a battery in there, and they're not wired. So with these, it's nice to have a backup battery. That way you don't have to have your doorbell down for a certain amount of time while you're charging up your battery. So it's nice to have some on hand like these. These are nice rechargeable ones, 7,000 mega amp hours. So you get definitely some nice battery life out of these. My front doorbell now has been running quite a while on the same battery, and it's nice to have like extra juice, because I had a Ring doorbell before and it seemed like I was always having to charge the battery. It didn't seem to last very long. So this can be comes with 2 cords as well, and then you can just plug it in here and charge it up. Let's do that. Okay, so we just simply have a USB-A to a micro USB cord right here. When the light is red, it is charging. When it's green, it is full. Like I said, very nice to have a backup battery. You can come with a little key there so you can undo the bottom of your doorbell, and comes with 2 cords also if you want to charge these batteries up simultaneously. Nice, handy to have these. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and we'll see y'all next time.